An equation with sine and cosine, we want to be just one ratio. Okay, either sine or either cosine, but it's a square that allows us to use the Pythagorean identity. Okay, if we use that now, we only have cosine. Okay, let's expand this. Okay, let's bring everything to the right side. So let's add both sides by that, and we get 6. 11 minus 6 gives you 5. Okay. So here, 3 and 2, right? That's 15 plus 2 will factor, right? So 3 cosine of x plus 1, 2 cosine of x plus 5. So now it's in factor form. We know that 3 cosine of x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means cosine of x has to equal to negative 1/3. And from this, when this is equal to 0, we have this has to equal to negative 5, which means cosine x has to equal to negative 5/2. But this is not in the range of cosine. Cosine's range is only between negative 1 to 1. No solution from here. Okay, from here, let's draw the cosine curve, and we see 1/3, let's say. So our answer is right there and right there. To get these x values, what I'm going to first do is, right, define the angle, which will give you 1/3 instead of negative 1/3. So let me call that theta. This theta here. Cosine inverse of 1/3, 1.23 radians, which means this one here is going to be, by symmetry, pi minus, right? Pi minus 1.23. And this one here is going to be pi, you move right from pi plus 1.23.